Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of hang. Suspend the upper part of your body and let it hang free. For example, that's where people are supposed to hang their wash. The second definition of hang. As a capital punishment, you can tie a rope from above around someone's neck. For example, he was hanged for murder. American pronunciation. Hang. Hang. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Hang. Say. Hang. Hang means suspend from above. Hang. Hang. Hang origin. Old English Hangian transitive verb. Intransitive verb of Old English, West Germanic origin. It is related to Dutch and German hangingen and reinforced by the Old Norse verb hanga. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Overhead. Colored banners hung from wooden rafters. Now, repeat after me. Overhead. Colored banners hung from wooden rafters. The second practice. The lanterns hang from trees like giant pods. Now, repeat after me. The lanterns hang from trees like giant pods.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.